Okay, so this is an exec king room at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. And as we come in the room, we're first greeted with this lovely, large, comfortable king bed. Lamps either side with storage. Directly opposite, we have some additional storage also. Flat screen TV. And some items from the minibar you can have there. Scan that QR code if you can do it on your TV if you're interested in the prices. And separate fridge down here, obviously all center padded, but you know, they are expensive, but if you're going to buy a drink downstairs, I think Vegas Tips and Tricks made the good point that it's pretty much the same price now, so you're going to pay those prices wherever. Coming through, we have a separate desk area for you to work on. It's quite a big space there as well. And then sort of coming around into this little nook area, we have additional seating, a nice big couch, and a couple of chairs and lighting, and some artwork there. So lots of space here. This room was comped on MGM Rewards. For 4 nights, it was comped and no resort fee. And that was from a friend of mine staying here who's let me see the room, and that was for a Pearl member. So it's not true, you don't have to be gold to get resort fees waived, it seems. And a nice big closet here. Okay, and coming around into the bathroom, we have a dual vanity area here. A nice big mirror. And you've got your products, quite a few there as well. Quite generous with those. And then swinging around to a soaking tub. Separate shower. And in here, I'm guessing, is that's the toilet in there. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Vegas and non-Vegas content. Any questions of this room or property, please leave below and we will do our best to answer. And until next time, we'll see you then.